So Aurora has paid back all their debts. They have zero debt. So Aurora raised 33.8 million shares. What I think about this? I think it's smart. Yes, yeah, shareholders get diluted. There might be another reverse split. But if you're a long-term holder of Aurora, yeah, you might be pissed off, especially if you're bag holding. But if you're not bag holding, right, and the stock price keeps dropping and dropping, and you buy in at an attractive evaluation, like attractive number, why does it matter if the stock is diluted? You basically bought in at the very bottom, and the company is debt free, and there's only one way up. I mean, there's only one way, and it's up. So any positive news that come along, day traders, institutions, hedge funds, retail investors will all jump in, buy the stock, gets pumped to the moon, and you sell out and make your profit. But if you're like, I believe in Aurora for the long term, try to buy at the very bottom and say that. Try to find the very, very lowest point of the stock, buy in, and be like, okay, I'm long term now. That is absolutely okay in my books. Not financial advice, but my opinion only. And Aurora right now has no debt, zero debt. Like, I think so. I mean, I could be wrong, but they just paid back all the convertible debt by raising another 64.25 million shares from Cancord at a price of 73 cents per share, for a total of 33. And they have additional another 7 million shares that Cancord could execute on, giving them 38.8 million. And now Aurora has literally no debt. I mean, they still have a little bit of debt left, I think 20 million or $30 million, but they also have $157 million of cash and $57 million of restrictive cash, which they can no longer be restrictive because they don't have any debt. They can use that restrictive cash to pay back their debt. So I think they only have 30 million or $40 million of debt. Pay that debt off. Still has $160 million of cash, zero debt. I mean, yeah, the stock is diluted. But does it matter if you bought it at 40 cents or 30 cents if it drops down that low? No, it doesn't. Does it matter if you bought it at $3 or $4? Yeah, it actually does matter. And your bag holding, yeah, it does matter. But it doesn't matter if you're holding it at 44 cents, 45 cents, 40 cents. No, it doesn't. They're using their capital. They're using the stock as a money gathering machine, and it will be eventually they'll be cash flow positive. The market sentiment will change, and more people will be bullish on Aurora stock in the future. But that's the way reality is. But I mean, it does actually. If management was holding a ton of shares, yeah, that would definitely hurt management. I don't think insiders own very much of this stock. Insiders, yeah, 0.111%. So they're not really diluting themselves; they're diluting institutions and retail. So I don't know. I don't really find this bad. But hey, that's my opinion. None of what I say is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. And I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.